In today's session, we're going to take a look at the Airia documentation and also the Airia API documentation. If you're logged into your Aria platform, the easiest way to access the documentation is by clicking on the little question mark at the top right. If we click there, a new tab will open, explore.aria.com. Bookmark this page and access it that way. Inside, you can use the top navigation bar to explore different sections of the documentation, such as user guides, administrator guides, how to build and deploy agents, and more. You can also use the search function. For example, if I want to find documentation on tools, I can search for it and start navigating from there. You can also ask the AI assistant to find information for you. It will search through all the documentation and generate an answer just as an agent would live on the screen for you. For our API documentation, you'll find the API reference link at the top right. If we click there, you'll be directed to a different URL, api.aria.ai/docs. Here you'll find all of our API documentation, neatly organized in alphabetical order. You can scroll through and find any relevant API details you might need. If anything is missing or you'd like to share feedback, feel free to do so through the platform by clicking on the little exclamation mark. Let us know, and we'll add the relevant information or documentation to the platform for you. Thank you so much for watching.